Okay guys, so this customer came in for a routine check on his bearings. The car's got a bit over 100,000 Ks, and there was a bit of concern. He had a test done on his oil, and he showed a little bit of metal in the oil, so he came in for a check. Let's have a look. This is cylinder number 6, I believe. Yeah, number 6. Okay, so if we have a look here, there we go. So these aren't horrible, but they are starting to fall apart. So this is at a good time. By this stage, there's still no damage on the crank, which is good. So we can just clean everything up and put some new bearings in. So yeah guys, just another example. This is a E92 M3. So this is another example of how crucial it is to really get this checked up. If you're sitting on a bit over 100,000, it's probably highly recommended if it hasn't been done. Even this engine wasn't making any noises at all. He was just a very alert owner that is aware of the problem, and he had an oil sample checked up, and that's how this came about. And so yeah, we've pulled them apart, and there it is there. So yeah.